Understanding the mouse button. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a term that's essential for anyone using a computer: the mouse button. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, understanding this concept is key to navigating your computer with ease. The mouse button refers to the clickable parts of a computer mouse, which are used to interact with the computer. A standard mouse usually has two buttons, a left and a right button, and sometimes a scroll wheel that can also be clicked, known as the middle button. Each button on a mouse has a specific function. The left mouse button is used for selecting items, clicking on links, and dragging and dropping. The right mouse button opens up contextual menus with more options, depending on what you click on. The middle button can be used to scroll through documents or websites. For advanced users, mouse buttons can often be customized. This means you can change what each button does to suit your preferences and increase your productivity. Sometimes, mouse buttons may not work as expected. This could be due to hardware issues, software problems, or simply because the settings have been changed. Troubleshooting these issues involves checking the mouse settings in your computer's control panel or preferences. And that's a wrap on mouse buttons. With this knowledge, you'll be able to navigate your computer more efficiently. Remember, the left and right buttons are your main tools for interaction, and the middle button is there to make scrolling a breeze. Happy clicking, and see you in the next video.